Okay, hello everyone. I just have this one questions to solve here on a mixed application of motion under gravity. So this one says the ball is thrown upwards from the top of a 45 meters building with a speed of 10 meters per second. How long does it take to hit the ground at the base of the building? Quite easy. Now the ball starts from the top of the building. The height of the building is 45 meters, don't forget. Okay, and the stone is thrown upwards, and the initial velocity is 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. Okay, so it gets to the maximum height, and it comes down to the base of the building. So quite easy. So the time it takes. Now, first off, the time it takes to go up, T is U over G. Since the final velocity at this point is 0, so we can simply use this formula. So the initial velocity is 10, so 10 over 10, which is going to be 1 second. You see that? Yeah. And so since it got here, from here to when it takes to hit the ground, the only way we can do this is to first of all find the height here. The height it takes to go from here to here. And height in this case is u squared over 2g. We can use this. Okay, so that's going to be, the u is 10, so 10 squared over 2 times 10, and that's going to be 100 over 20, which is 5 meters. So that means the height the height it takes, or the distance it takes to reach the maximum height, is 5 meters. Okay, and so the total height is 50 meters, because the height of the building is 45 plus the height above the building is 5. So that's a total of 50 meters. Okay, so the reason why we calculated this, because that's the only information we can use to calculate the time it takes to reach the ground. So at this point we can say the time it takes to hit the ground is square root of 2h over g. I already gave you these formulas in my previous videos. This formula actually comes from S equal to ut plus half gt squared. Okay, so your u is always 0 for a downward motion. So making t sublet of formula, you're going to have this. H can also be s. That's okay. So this is square root of 2 times your height is 50, then acceleration due to gravity is 10. So this is going to be 100 over 10, which is that? Yeah, 100. 2 times 50 is 100, divided by 10, and that is square root of 10, and square root of 10 is about 3.14. So the total time now is the time it takes to go up plus the time it takes to come down. So the total time is going to be 1 second plus 3.14, and that's giving us 4.14 seconds. Now we don't have any but the closest answer here is this, C. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in my next video.